Stewie, what are you doing?
Huh? Oh, Brian. Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over the table for you. You know, I'm going to tell you, this stuff you gave me was a lifesaver last night. I was out like a light.
Stewie, I told you, there's alcohol in that. It's not for kids.
You're not for kids.
Stewie, you're drunk.
Oh, Brian's all serious. Oh, I don't drink in the morning because I've got to land a plane.